So welcome again to Gyan Ki Baatein YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how to install or sideload apps outside the App Center. Just you have to go to the App Center and download Gdebi package installer. As I have already installed this, here it's showing uninstall button. So install this app and download any package from any website that is in amd64.deb form. Then click on it. Okay, right click on it and right click on it and open with Gdebi package installer, and you can easily install here. Here will be the install button and you can install it very easily. So that's the thing. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe Gyan Ki Baatein YouTube channel.